Telling me to overstroke, my conscience telling me to overdose. The way you shake like I'm playing with your Holy Ghost. My wood pencil got your bed sheets taking notes. Get it? Your bed sheets taking notes. Body.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'll show y'all how I do my installment. So basically, this is, I already have the foundation on the cap. I didn't want to go show you through that process, it's long. So right here, I'm just getting the hair out of the way. Literally, I'm trying to make sure. Those hairs is usually what I use for my baby hair. So I just take that out of the way, make sure nothing is in my way. As you can see, let me zoom that in. It's an old wig, so it already been used. So I take all my baby hair out of the way, push everything to the back. I use clip most of the time to hold everything back. Okay, this is everything that I use in the video right here, just so anybody asks. So here, I basically put the wig on and I pull it back a little bit, and just wherever that wig stopped, that's where I put the glue placement. So that way when I'm putting my wig on, I know exactly where to place it. So I just use that glue dot for like the outline of the wig, so I know where to place the wig. And after that, don't mind me, this is my... So basically, this knife right here, this is what I usually use for my wig when I'm like bleaching my frontals. So I just use that to apply my wig, and then make it easier for the glue to come off anyway. So that's just a little knife I use. So I use that, and once I get done, when the glue get dry a little bit, I add another layer of glue. I only do this when I'm going on vacation. I only use this glue when I'm going on vacation, not on a regular base if I want my basic look. So I add another layer of glue, again, second layer, and just follow the same method. Spray it out so everything can literally just be blended. And I'll use my little blow dryer and just blow it out for it to get dry faster and tackier. Literally, it have to be clear where nothing is white, where you just literally see a clear. See how it look clear? Yeah, and I add another layer. I was going on a vacation, okay? I was going to Miami. I needed this wig to be secure, so I used 3 layers of glue. And I apply it again using a knife to spray it out. Literally, I used 3 layers, but it's easy to come out. I use oil and it come out faster. So I apply that again, spray it out, and this time I use 2 dots so that way my hair can be more secure. There is no slime back, none of that. So I just fast forward a little bit. Do that, blow dry again. Literally, it's not that hard, trust me. If you have any questions, just ask me. I'm a learner too, so I understand. So after that, I would literally like apply the frontal, but I would go section by section, because the glue is it's like once you put the wig on it and after you blow dry it, trust me, it's hard to move it. So literally, I go section by section. I usually start with the front, then I move my way out. As you can see, I started with the front, or I start with the side, whatever part that works best for you. You start with whatever that works best for you. And I just apply it slowly with the comb, with the back of the comb. That worked easy too, because I don't want to use my finger. I'm very messy when I do this. I'm not a professional at it. This is homegirl in the basement, just doing whatever she got to do. So as you can see, that baby hair that I have out, I use the comb to basically push the frontal into the glue. It make it stick better. Literally, watch me use the comb. I use the comb and just push it into my skin, and it will sit right in the glue, so you don't really have to do so much to the hair or try to move it around, because at this point I already know my placement. I know where everything's supposed to be at, and I'm just using the comb to just push the frontal into the glue, and it helps secure the frontal. I know this frontal is crying for your life. It's okay. It's an old frontal. We just doing what we gotta do. So yeah, I just use the comb and push it into my skin. I do that everywhere on the front. Push it into your skin. it helps it blend it out. So that way when you tie it with elastic band, everything is just smooth and flat. So I keep doing that over and over, push into my skin, push the frontal in with the comb, section by section, as you can see, literally. Yep, that's it, close up. Damn, my skin is glowing. But yep, I do that everywhere, side to side, on the side. You see how the front look? Literally just use the comb to push that into your skin. I'm a learner, I'm a beginner, so trust me, this was a struggle. If I can do it, you can do it, sis. This literally is the struggle channel. I just do my little basic makeup and hair, and people be asking me, so I just show you. So that's the bed head spray I use. I usually will use this if I'm just wearing my wig for like one night. It worked really good. It blend with the lace so nice. Y'all should get some instead of the well, you can use the got to be too, but sometimes I use the got to be, but usually I use the bed head. It's just like a holding spray you just use, and I will spray that on top of it just to give it that extra hold. And also when I use the elastic band to tie my wig, like, well, tie it in, this is where they said the meltdown method. Don't, please correct me if I'm wrong because I'm not good at this, but that's what that's supposed to help do. When I spray that glue on, I would later on go in with my elastic band and tie it right on top of that glue. When I tell you it secure that thing, it keep it down tight. So that's what I do. Ladies, if you don't have a hot comb, trust me, hot comb is the number one go-to when you're doing your frontal, if you want to wear wigs. If you want your wig to be flat, that's how I get my wig flat. It's a hot comb. I got that hot comb from Walmart. I put that everything in the little description in the beginning, but I'm just saying that again. I got that hot comb from Walmart. I literally use that hot comb. I like my frontal flat, so I'll use that hot comb. Sometimes I burn myself. Yes, I do sometimes. And I'll just keep doing that over and over, over and over till I get it right. And that's it. And over here, basically, I was just trying to show you a little tutorial how I part my hair and like define my curls. Right there, I just use condition, water. So here, I'm trying to show y'all how I cut my baby hair, but don't use scissors, ladies. Use razor. Ladies and gentlemen, use razor instead of scissor. You see that sharp cut? That's what you don't want. Use razor. Then when you use for your eyebrows, it will give you that cut instead of having that straight cut. But I keep playing with it till I get my baby hair down. I know the lace kind of look same, like you can see it right now, but after when I get done and lay everything and use my silk scarf to tie it down, everything blends in together. But that's about it, and I use my elastic band at the end and tie it, but that's what I do. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, let me know. If you don't, also let me know. Negative comments is also positive comment. It's a learning place. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please come back, and we're going to add more videos. Welcome to the family. This is my first hair installment video. We got more to learn, but this is the finished product. Yep. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.